what's going on, YouTube? Happy Father's Day, and welcome to another episode of Out of the Den. It is very hot today. I know I preached it myself, and I shouldn't do it, but I didn't put the jacket on because my leather jacket has like no vents, and it is just sweltering. But I know, being a hypocrite. But yeah, happy Father's Day. For those of you who know, and for those who don't, this morning it's been a little rough. This morning on my way into work, it was, pretty rough. And just throughout the day, everybody, asking if I have kids and telling me Happy Father's Day, For those of you who don't know, 3 months ago, one of my sons committed suicide. So yeah, today's been a little rough. But I got my other boys, to be strong for, and to cheer me up today once I get home. But yeah, man, love your kids, and hug them, just be there for them in any way you can. But yeah, but today I wanted to talk about brotherhood, sisterhood, or just plain camaraderie, like the motorcycle community. Speaking of friends, so that video or that clip I played at the beginning, that was from a parade. A bunch of bikers and car and truck enthusiasts did for a boy who recently lost his father. And the little boy always loved, cars and motorcycles, and loved working on motorcycles with his father. And so the community got together with his mother, and a parade was organized for kind of like a reverse Father's Day present. And there a lot of people showed up from all over Virginia, and probably the surrounding states. There's definitely a couple hundred motorcycles, souped up cars, jacked up trucks that showed up. And that just goes to show you, how tight knit, like the motorcycle community is. I mean, there are groups of friends there, but there are groups of people there who knew each other, but all together, you had these people from all across Virginia, probably from out of state, coming together to support a fallen brother and his family. And that's the kind of camaraderie that you get when you ride a motorcycle. Yeah, you got your bad eggs and everything out there, but for the most part, the motorcycle community will go above and beyond for each other, even if they don't know that particular rider. Just like shortly after my son passed away. I was out to eat with my family that came in town for the services and everything, and another local moto vlogger, you know, seen me in the restaurant, and you know, he messaged me on Facebook, and you know, after I realized, you know, that he was in the restaurant with me, you know, he came over and, you know, gave his condolences and asked how I was doing. I mean, I know the guy. I don't know him super personally. I've gone, you know, I've talked to him, you know, here and there, bought some of his merch, gone on a group ride with him once. But, you know, he's a really great dude, and, you know, he, like I said, I don't know him that well, and he came over and gave his condolences. And, hey man, if you watch this video, you know, thank you so much for that. And y'all go check out his channel, Shifting State, and you know, like and follow him. But yeah, the camaraderie and the motorcycle, you know, community, you know, these people are, you know, like myself and other riders go beyond, above and beyond, you know, for each other, and even riders and, you know, families of the riders we don't know. And I just wish, you know, there were more communities that had that camaraderie. You know, for all you vets out there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Excuse me, my beard was blowing up and tickling my chin. Man problems. But, yeah, you know, I highly encourage, you know, any rider who rides solo, find a good group, you know, and participate in some group rides. You'll meet some really good people and form really good friendships. And even if you don't ride a motorcycle, you know, if you drive a Jeep or some particular type of car, you know, find a car club, Jeep club, off-road club, you know. If you have a hobby, find a group or a club that's based off of that hobby and form that camaraderie, that brotherhood, that sisterhood, and, you know, form those bonds and those friendships. You know, I don't know what I would have done, you know, if I didn't have, you know, those bonds and, you know, support steps, you know, or support ladder, you know, and this is, you know, goes outside the motorcycle community, you know, with other groups I'm a part of, and just like my military buddies and stuff. I don't know what I would have done, but I didn't have that large support group and camaraderie after my son passed away. So yeah, man, if you got a hobby or something you're interested in, find a group, find a club, and build those kind of friendships. You know, and go out and do, you know, nice things. You don't got to spend money to do nice things for people you don't know. Like, what? It cost me, what, maybe a quarter gallon of gas to ride up to this park, you know, do a little parade and then go home, you know. And I'm sure that little boy was so happy to see and hear all these motorcycles and these souped up cars and these jacked up trucks, you know, and it made his day. And I hope it made him and his mother feel better. And ma'am, if you watch this video, I know you asked me to send it to you. You know, my prayers go out to you and your family. But yeah, guys, get out there, create those friendships, and keep on riding. A little update on the homestead. We got one rabbit hutch put up with about 5 rabbits in it. Got to finish the chicken fence today and get some chicken coops or something in there, or something to use as a chicken coop. But we have like 6 rabbits right now. One might be pregnant, so we have her inside until we get another one of our hutches put up. I think we have like 19, or no, let's see, 17 various types of chickens and 2 turkeys, 3 dogs and a snake. I got a little petting zoo going on. But probably won't work on the garden anytime soon. Might start something in the fall or late summer maybe. But yeah, we're just focusing on the rabbits and the chickens and dry food stores, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, probably what my next video is going to be on is showing what we've done with the chickens and the rabbits and, you know, whatnot. But I think I've rambled on for enough today. This new ride back and forth to work's super quick now that we moved into the new house. Literally straight down Route 10. But oh yeah, guys, you know, get out there, find those groups, find that family, and do nice shit for people. But you all stay safe, keep your head on a swivel. Have a good day. God bless. Peace.